Hello, friends. Recently, Narendra Modi visited France, and and it is a very pleasure for us, for all Indians. He has given the highest honor of France, and also he meets some business leaders from France, and they are very excited to work with the government of India. And he asked some major things, how India will become a manufacturing hub in 25 years, in 20 2047 years. Okay, so the main thing that PM Modi asks to the business leaders that this is the opportunity for them at that time, and this is the opportunity, if the business leader can invest in India, and it will create opportunity for them. But you may think about that why India is a perfect destination for investment, because India does not have a very uh, a good past achievements. But I will share you three major things that why India is a perfect destination for the foreigners to invest their money, invest their investment into India. And I will give you the proof also why I'm saying this. And I'm sure that India is the perfect destination. If you see all over the world, but right now is the perfect destination. Okay, the first reason why I'm saying India is a perfect destination for investment. India has the largest young population. Yes, but why? If India has the largest population, then how it will benefit for India, and what is the linkage between investment and young population? Yes, I will share my thought. If you see young people's young mindset, young mind, they are very young, and they have the they have the curiosity to learn something. They have the curiosity, they have the enthusiasm to do something, and they will create more productivity in the workplace. So so in and the main thing is that India is the largest young population. In a survey, I see that on that survey, that on the report, uh, average 26 year in India, but outside the world like China and all other big economies, they have the average young population of 32, 36, and these are the average population age. But in India, have the young population average, if you see average, in average. And the second most important thing is GDP growth. During the period of COVID-19, there are big economies like China, USA, Japan. These are the big economies, but they are not sustain their economy. They are declining their GDP growth. But India has made the significant growth, like in 21, 22, 9% GDP growth. Yes, I say the right thing. If you wanted to see, then search on Google, because if you see all across the world right now, they have the they have the pureness that Ukraine and Russia war, uh, and pandemic hit to their economy, uh, and artificial intelligence maybe impact to their economy. And and some other natural calamities are happening in the all over the world, and I think this is the most memorable days, the roast day of at that time what's happening in all around the world. Not just saying that Russia Ukraine war. It will not happen. It will not affect only on Russia and Ukraine. It will happening. It will impact to the all across the world, because Russia have the largest oil producer, and Ukraine also. It is a great nation for the manufacturing of some food soil. And the third and the most important thing is that if someone wanted to invest their money into India, the ease of doing business in India, it is improving day by day. If you see in a report published, that international report, that in 2019 published by a report, that India has make the jump from 142 rank to 63 rank. If you see the 20 years back, 30 years back, there are no opportunity for the entrepreneur. There is a difficulty. There are very difficult to set up a manufacturing plant, set up a business, and but right now somehow government is pushing to the startup and creating a business environment where people can do better business. And I think once more businesses are coming to the economy, coming to the market, then it will create more employability. And you know what employability means? It's not just a word, it's not just a single thing. It is connected with the person's behavior, the person's activity. And if you don't have any sustained financial condition, then some negative thought will hit your mind. How can I get the money from whatever the way I can, like theft, and people are became thief, and someone loot and someone loot money from others, and became a cyber criminal. And so on, the problems may arise. It's because of they have to, if they don't have any employability options. And I think when employability is there, then more people, it will give the power to the peoples, to the peoples to have the purchasing power, because whatever whatever they needs, they can fulfill due to this employability. So that's why I'm saying that why India is a perfect destination for. If you want to know more about that, why India is perfect destination for investment, just search the sentence why India is a perfect destination for investment, and this will give you some basic fundamentals things. And uh, it will give you the more reasons why India is a perfect destination. But I have given you in this video some populations, young population, and GDP growth, and the ease of doing. And these three things are the important thing, and all other things also available, and uh, on the Google. just search on, and so so that's the thing for today. Okay, thank you.